Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 8.1 question number 2. Question number 2, here you see, convert the following ratios to percentages. Let us change it into percentage. The ratio is 3 is to 4. The ratio is 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4, that is 3 is to 4 can be written as 3 by 4. 3 by 4. And if we change it, convert into ratios, percentage, then it will be into 100%. 100%. Therefore, if we divide by 4, that is 4 on the 4, 4, 25, 100. So 3 into 25, that is equal to 75%. It is 75%. That is answer of question number A. Now question number B is, the ratio is given as 2 is to 3. That can be written as 2 by 3 into 100% into 100%. That can be written as 200 by 3%. If we divide 200 by 3, 200 by 3, then we are getting 3 6 18. 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. 0. Again 3 6 18. Minus 18 is 2. If we are getting as 66 whole, 2 by 3%, 2 by 3%, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.